Hello friends, since Friendship Day is coming, so I thought we will make some friendship bands at home. I'll show you and they are very easy. Okay, so for making the friendship bands we need colored sheets. I have chosen the green and blue sheet for the boys and pink and yellow for girls. First, okay, and we need scissors, erasers, a black sketch or a marker, a scale, a pencil, any pencil, and a sharpener. So, first we have to cut thin strips. Okay, I'll first outline. So, I've taken some glue and we'll add the glue on the yellow. Okay guys, so I have cut it 3 strips from the yellow and 3 from the pink. Now we will paste them. So let me get my I'll paste them. First I'll take out some glue. And now I'll add the glue here. We need some more. And now we paste. Like this, we have to paste all 3. Guys, like I had shown, I have pasted these strips. Now we start folding. Okay, first we need to get the tips. Okay, and we need to add some glue. I'll add some glue and now we'll paste this right over here. And then we'll fold like this, then like this, then like this, and then like this. And in this way, our bracelet will be made like this. Cut. Add some glue. We need more glue. And now we'll add some glue here. And then we need to paste it like this and hold for a few moments. And then happen. Ta-da! Look, now friendship band is ready. Now it's ready to go.